Good evening, y'all. Today is Monday, April 30th. This is the last day of April for 2018. 4 months have already passed, so we're well on our way. So I went to Kroger. I got a 10-pound bag of potatoes. These were, I think, $3.79. A lot of items I got from Kroger were on sale. I got this 3-pound roll of ground beef. It was $5.37, $5.97 or something like that. I got these pineapple. I like to get them fresh, let them sit out on the counter for a few days, and then cut them up and put them in the freezer for smoothies. I got a stalk of celery for 99¢, green onion soup for $1. I just got one. This I'm making chicken salad. I hadn't had chicken salad sandwiches in a while, so that's what I'm going to cook for tomorrow. Today we'll eat leftovers. These Kleenex, you know, at Kroger they have that you buy so many, you save $4. So you had to buy 4 items to save 4. I got the hefty storage, the gallon and the quart, and I got 2 things of Kleenex, and all these were 99¢ each. I got this, and y'all, this is so good. It's Kroger chocolate butter toffee ice cream. It's a real good. They're 2 for $5 this week, and it's good. I also got some sharp cheddar cheese. These Welch's juices, they were another one of those items that were on that buy 4 save 4. And so with this increment of 4, what I bought is 2 boxes. My thing broke out to do that. I bought 2 bags of Lay's potato chips. These were $1.99. And I bought 2 of the Welch's grape juice. They were $1.99. I need to get some more of those. I like to keep them, especially when my grandson come over and spend the weekend when they come down. I got a gallon of milk. I actually got this yesterday. Took my mom a grocery, and I told my brother not to get it. He put that in my mother's house. That's mine. I had to get that today. I got this deep dish pie crust. I had some peach pie filling left over. I wanted to go ahead and use. I don't like to keep it too long, so I'm going to use that. These today, oh, I'm sorry. Also, I got the Honey Nut Cheerios. Well, y'all, did I mess up? Because I think these were on that, I didn't look at my receipt. Because if I didn't get everything in increments of 4, I paid like $2 more than I should have. And I'll just take the receipt and they'll let me go back and get them. Because these were $1.49. And this is 12.25 ounces. Now, I got the 21 ounce from Walmart yesterday for my son for breakfast. And I paid $3.68. So these are actually $2.98 when you get them. So I need to go check my receipt. Excuse me. I saw where it took, I think I saved maybe 6. I don't think this was on the buy 4 though. I think this was with a digital coupon. That's the difference. And then y'all, this morning, some mornings, especially on a Monday before I go to work, I go shop at the store. And they have these, the 62 pack. These are normally 8. No, this is 40 though. This is the 3-in-1. And this is the 2-in-1. This is the one with the oh man. Anyway, I ended up getting these for $5.90 something, so it's still not bad. 102 of them for $10. And that's all I got. And I also bought me another sit under dryer, because y'all know I do my hair every Sunday before church, and some Sundays it take me longer when I'm blow drying. So that's all I have. Enjoy your Monday. Be blessed. Tomorrow is May 1st. Do they still do May Day? Remember we used to go around a maypole or whatever on May 1st? Anyway, enjoy your night. Bye.